Hi, in this video I'll be showing you the alternative to the Dokan plugin. This is WC Marketplace. This is the plugin which is alternative to the Dokan Marketplace. So they both are same mostly. The some of the functionalities are different. So let's see how this plugin works and why is it different from there. So this is WC Marketplace. It has single product, multiple vendors. So this is the unique feature that is not provided in the Dokan. So a single product can be shared with the multiple sellers. So this is a different like functionality that Dokan doesn't have. The vendors dashboard, which is same like the Dokan multi-vendor. You get an admin notifications to vendors. This is also included in the Dokan marketplace. You have a commission distributable management, which is really good. You have review vendor management. You have vendor capabilities management and admin taskbar, which is new and added to this plugin, which you will not be able to get in the Dokan. You have a customizable vendor registration form and you can add multiple payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe to the website for the multi-vendors. You also have the functionality for the coupon management like the Dokan and commission types. So you can add commissions to the whole cart or individual cards like the way you want. It's compatible with multiple WooCommerce plugins like Job Manager, Subscription, Gravity Forms, and many more. It's 100% WPML compatible, and like Dokan, it also has its own add-ons. This is also a good alternative to the Dokan. And the best part that we have is the single product multiple vendors, which is very unique and not included in the Dokan. So if you want to create a marketplace where you have the same product and multiple vendors will be able to use your one product, so then this is the best plugin you must go for.